Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So as we have seen on Instagram, one video is getting viral, that is a Runaway Aurora edit. So like a different type of sky effect on the video. So in this video I will show you how to make such video in just 1 minute without using any third-party application. So with the help of this video you can make such video by using Instagram application itself. So I will show you on my mobile screen how to do this. So to edit this video we need Instagram application. Click on the plus icon you can see on the top left side, and if you want to post on Instagram stories, then you can select as a story. So if you want to post on Instagram reel, you can click on Instagram reel. So now click on effects. Now scroll at the last, here you can see, and click on this one. So here click on this search icon here and search as Runaway Aurora. So here you will find different type of Runaway Aurora. So there are different type of effect. Okay, so you can check many of them and you can record a video whichever you like. So for now, just to show you example here, you can see how this work, how the sky is changing here, you can see. So in this way you can click on try it and you can use this effect. So for now I will use any one of this effect here. So let's select any one. So let's select this one. Okay, so I will click on try it. Okay, so you need to press on this circle here, and I will reduce the volume due to a copyright issue, and let's see. So here you can see this was just one of the effects. So there are so many effects available here, so you can use whichever you like. So this I have just shown you how to get this effect, so you can explore different effect and you can record your video. So I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you.